Hi everyone, my name is Bharti Chaudhary and today we are going to discuss the graded assignment sheet of week 7, question number 2. The question number 2 says that a box had a width which is 3 cm more than the double of its length and the height which is 2 cm more than the thrice of the length of the box. The box is filled with the small bricks, each of whose length is 1/4 of the length of the box. The width of each brick is 1 cm more than the 6 times the length of the brick, and the height of each brick is 1 cm more than the 8 by 3 times of the length of the brick. So question number A and B is totally dependent on this question number 2 that has been given. So we have to find out in question number A, we have to find out the volume of the box, and in question number B, we have to find out the maximum number of bricks that can be adjusted in the box. So let's collect the data. The data that has been provided to us is that length. Let us consider the length of the box. Length of the box bx, and in the question it is given that your width of the box is 2 times the length, 3 more than the twice of the length. Okay. And the height is given two centimeter more than the thrice of the length of the box. So which can be written as 3x plus 2. We are asked to find out the volume of box. So this is taking a shape of a cuboid. So it will be length into height into breadth. Multiply this x into 2x plus 3 into 3x plus 2. This gives you 6x cube plus 4x square plus 9x square plus 6x. Further simplified, this gives you 6x cube plus 13x square plus 6x. Let's check in the option whether this equation is given or not. Yeah, so option C resembles to the solution that we obtained. So option C is absolutely correct. Moving on to the question number B, the maximum number of bricks that can be kept in the box. For that we need to find out the volume of the brick. Now again let's verify the data which has been given to us. Here it is saying that the length of the brick is 1/4 the length of the box, and we considered that the length of box is x. So how we can write it algebraically? It is x by 4. Fine. Moving on to the next one, the width of the brick. It is given that it is 1 more than 6 times of the length of the brick, which will be 1 plus 6x into 4. Simplify this. This will give you 3 here. This will give you 2. So exactly it becomes 1 plus 3 by 2x. Moving on to the height of the brick. It is given that it is 1 more than 8 by 3 times of the length of the brick, and the length of the brick is x by 4. Simplify it, you are going to get this is equal to 1 plus 2 by 3x. Now to find the number of brick, this will equal to volume of box by volume of one brick. So what is the volume of box? If you see, this is x into 2x plus 3 into 3x plus 2. And the volume of one brick is x by 4 into 1 plus 3 by 2x into 1 plus 2 by 3x. Simplify this, you are going to get this will give you x by 2x plus 3 by 3x plus 2 by x by 4. Here it becomes 2 plus 3x by 2, and the third term becomes 3 plus 2x by 3. Now you see that these term gets cancelled out. X get cancelled out. 2x plus 3 gets cancelled out. 3x plus 2 gets cancelled out. So it becomes 1 by 24. So exactly it will give you 24 as the answer. So the number of bricks that can be accommodated in the given box will be equal to 24. I hope I have made this question very clear. If you still have any doubt, you can write me in the comment section, or you can also mail me to the mail ID which is provided in the description below. Also like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. We will meet with the next question.